Dimensions Variable is a signature series at the Moody where we invite artists to respond to the exhibition on view in their own creative ways.
At the event, we did a fish drawing workshop and we talked about fishes as being masters of adaptation. What we did is we learned a little bit about how fish are adapting to many of the different environmental changes around us, and hopefully what we can learn from fishes. And then practically what people did is, I have preserved specimens, so I brought about 50 different preserved fishes from the Gulf of Mexico and allowed people to take them out on a tray and then just sketch them, but then to think about the physical adaptations they could see in the different species, whether it's the different types of teeth, whether it's the different types of mouths, the shapes of the fins, the shapes of their body, bigger eyes, less eyes. All of these are adaptations to live at a specific moment in history at a particular place.
We were fortunate to have Brandon Ballengée, as well as representatives from the Houston Beekeepers Association, who brought a live hive and conducted a beekeeping demonstration. We also had seeds from the Fondren Library Seed Library, which we invited visitors to take home and seed their own gardens with native plants. We were fortunate to be able to show music videos by Matthew Bertner. He is an Alaskan-born composer, sound artist, and eco-acoustician whose work features the ice fields of the North. I hope visitors enjoyed a day of education, of painting, of inspiration and beekeeping and music as a means of thinking about the themes of the current exhibition around climate change and social justice.